For rural rest, relaxation, and wine in the heart of California's Great Central Valley, visit the Parkway RV Resort and Campground. After a decade-long labor of love involving every member of the family, we've transformed the park into a state-of-the-art RV and camping facility. Spend quality time with family and friends and maybe even make some new friends. Spend those hot summer days splashing in the pool, cool fall evenings playing horseshoes, or hanging out by the community campfire. No matter what season, join us in our wine tasting room to sample local vintages.
There's the lake. You could go down to the lake just right down the road for the day and come back. Then you have the casino. They have a great steakhouse.
Conveniently located a half-mile west of I-5 in Glenn County, the Parkway RV is just far enough from the freeway to unwind in country quiet. Looking for a venue to share an event with family and friends? We have a wonderful club room with a full kitchen and an enclosed outdoor patio.
We ran into this campground and we liked it, and we loved John and Marion. We've been coming here for 9 years because I like the park. It's clean, it's quiet.
So much to do, so little time. You may just want to extend your stay or come back again. For rural relaxation, wine, and so much more, remember that it gets better every day at the Parkway.